What is up, guys and gals? This is Brandon Coin back, and it's just a little bit past midnight. This is going to be the daily hash rates for June 3rd, 2018, even though technically it's June 4th, but it's only been June 4th for 40 minutes. So if you're new to the channel, this is where I do a breakdown of each and every single graphics card that I own. I only put what each individual one makes. I don't own one of each card. I own multiples of each card, but that wouldn't help you. It's got the percentage of either gain or loss from day to day, or over here. This is what it makes in fiat per day. This is what it made yesterday in fiat, just to give you an example. The algorithm that it's mining on, the speed that I'm getting out of each respective card, and then the Satoshi per day if you need to convert it over. So if you'll notice, 1030 went up 3%, the 1066 gig went up 5%, the RX 560 went up 4.6%, 570 4.5, the 580 went up 5.5, and the R9 290X went up 5.1. Pretty much everything that was on Equihash stayed almost like perfectly the same. I think it lost like maybe 30 satoshis, so insignificant amount basically. Now let's jump. If you want to take a look at this, go ahead and pause the video and you can compare it to yours. And just to let y'all know, this Equihash that I'm mining, this is through NiceHash, and then the Ethereum that I'm mining, that's through Ethermine. I'm direct mining that. Now over here at Amazon, I was looking at this GTX 1070 Ti. It's $469 on sale right now. It's $80 off the original $549. This is a good looking card. This is basically the Ti version of, I have a 1070 super clocked, but not a Ti. I still need one to finish out like my list. I need a 1070 and a 1080 Ti, and it's a black edition, which, I mean, that's cool. So if this is still on sale when I get some money drummed up, I think I'm gonna be grabbing it. But I'll put the link down below if y'all want to look at it. If y'all want to get one, like, you know, get them while the getting's good. So yeah, solid card. Now let's jump over here to the rig of the day. If you want to get your rig featured at the end of a daily hash rates video, all you got to do is go to the Brandon Coin Reddit. Link will be down below in the description, and just post up a give a description and also some pictures. Pictures worth 1,000 words. But this is from JackCon25, and it's his 8 1066 gig, one 1080 Ti, and one 980 mining Raven. He posted this one 25 days ago. I just missed it. I didn't see it, but he's got it set up in like the wireframe rack. He's converting the BTC with Awesome Miner. I guess he's going mining Pool Hub. There's the 980 in that one. Solid setup. Oh my God, you got a switch panel right there, don't you? You can expand like tenfold. Yeah, overkill Cisco switch, that's for sure. What is that? Webcam? Webcam so you can see your... Oh! There's Brent. Oh, that's me! Right there. Dog. Brandon. Computer. RGB. I love the under desk glow right there. This is a beastly looking computer. 1080 Ti mining Raven, converting to BTC. This is good stuff right here. And then somebody's like, so you're the reason GPU market has been crap for the last 8 months. Maybe no one told you miners are more hated than politicians. We're not hated, are we? Are we hated? Comment down below. Have you gotten hate like in the real world outside of the internet, where like 15-year-olds are complaining that they can't buy a graphics card because they couldn't afford it to begin with? So just let me know. But yeah, so this is Brandon on Brandon Coin. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.